Oh, no. So you learnt yesterday class, you learned how to write where conditions using different operators, how to use between, okay, now, how to use between value 1 and value 2, how to use in value 1, value 2, value 3, so on. So here you have to use column name. Here also column name, where column name like in like you write pattern. Next one, where column name is not. Okay. Then next. Okay, now so for different comparisons, SQL is given different operators. Okay, then plus you also learn how to do the calculations. How to do calculations. So I want to calculate annual salary. What is there in the table? Salary is there, but I want to calculate annual salary. Then, so what you have to do? Every salary is multiplied with what? 12. So multiply the salary with 12. Okay. Then, okay, now then. So salary is multiplied with 12. Then, so 7,200, 72,000, 96,000 like this. But see the heading. What is the heading? No column name. I want to change the heading. Then as ANN sal. Okay. But I want to give annual sal. Then error. Because this contains space. Then give it in square brackets. Annual sal. Okay. Annual salary equals to a then. So ANN sal equal to salary into 12. Salary into 12. From what? EMP. Yes. Okay, now then. But this is the standard. This one as okay. Next. Then next one. So then, but see this table, this table, this table contains only small amount of data. Okay, now the table contains only small data, only 5 rows. EMP 11, na? So only 7 rows. But there is one table. The table, see, for the next examples, I use one table. Because in my class, number of times drop the table, create the table, drop the table, create the table to show different examples. Every time typing this create table command, inserting time waste. So a script is there. I execute that script. When I execute that script, table is created. So like script means no, don't think that something else. Create table only. So suppose here there is a script like this demo tables. Then what the script? Script contains create table only. Create table, employee number, small integer, e-name, job, manager, hide date, salary, commission, department number. Employee belongs to which department? There is an insert command. Insert into EMP value 7369 is inserted into EMP Anbo. Smith inserted into e-name. Clerk inserted into job. This is what's at hide date inserted into this one. And this is salary. This is commission. This is department number. Understood? Then like that, how many insert commands are there? 14 insert commands are there. That means how many rows created? 14 rows created. So whenever I want this table, just copy the script, execute the script, paste it here. Copy the script, so paste it here, execute the script. Table is created, data is inserted. Okay, now then. So, but table is already there. That's why what I'm doing, drop this table, emp, then create the table. So execute. Table is created, the rows are inserted. Now see the table. I'll add this script to Google Class. Okay, na? Then you can also practice. Select star from emp. Then that's all. So the table is created with how many rows? 14 rows. Because that script contains how many insert commands? 14. That's why 14 rows created. Each insert command creates one row. Next. Understood now? Then. So number, name, job, manager, height, date, salary, commission, department. Okay. Then I want to see employees who are working for 10 and 20. Working for 10 and 20 departments. Are we right? I want to see employees working for 10, 20. Then select star from. Select star, leave it. Where department number in 10, 20. Okay, na? Then I want to see the employees who are earning between, okay, na, 3,000 to 5,000. Then salary between 3,000 and 5,000. Who are joined in 1981 year. Who are joined in 1981 year. Where height date between 1981 0101 and 1981 December 31st. Otherwise, 19 height date like what? Where? What's it? Height date like 1981 percentage. If he joins in 1981, compulsory height date starts with 1981. Okay, na? Then, so this will fetch all the rows whose height date is starting with 1981. Then you see this 1981, 81, 81, 81. All these height dates starting with 1981. Yes. Okay, na? Suppose 1980 starting with 1980. There is only one. Okay. Then that's all. Okay, na? Then next, then sir, learning SQL means learning various operations on database. Learning the operations. Okay, then. So already you know one operation. Okay, na? Like what are the operations means? One is what's it? Data, what's it? Filtering. Data what? Sorting. Data what's it? Grouping. Data what's it? Merging. So these are all various operations on database. Okay, then you know filtering. How to do the filtering? Using where class. Filtering means selecting specific data. Next, let's see what's it? Sorting. Okay, then how to do the sorting? Order by class. Okay, then. So what is the order by class? Okay, now then. So order by class is used to sort table data. You know sorting now? Sorting means arranging. Okay, then. But if you see the table, how the data is arranged? Unordered. Ordered. Data is ordered. But how it is ordered? employee number wise. Data is arranged based on employee number wise, ID 73747576. So it is arranged based on number wise. But I want to arrange based on name wise. One user is asking name wise. You want to see the name wise. One want to see the salary wise. One want to see the date wise. Who joined first? Who joined first? Who joined next? You want to see date wise. So different users want to see the data in different order. Then question is how to arrange the data in different order by using order by. Okay, then. So how to sort using order by. Then next. And sorting is based on what's it? Sorting is based on one or more fields, columns. Fields means columns. Okay, na? Then. So when you are using order by, compulsory you have to say order by e-name. If you say order by e-name means sorted based on name wise. If you say order by sal, then sorted based on salary wise. You say order by height date wise. Okay, then. So when you want to use order by, compulsory you have to mention the field name. Okay, next one. Then, but okay, sorting, you want to sort, but you have to mention the order also. Which order? Two orders, ascending, descending. There are two orders, ascending, descending. You say, suppose then salary, what? Ascending. I'll say salary ascending. Then if I say ascending, then how it is arranged? Lowest to highest. Ascending, na? Lowest to highest. If I say descending, then highest to lowest. Okay, then. So when you want to sort, you have to mention two. What are the two? Field name plus order. Which field you want to sort based on which field, plus you want to sort which order. Then, so next, then, so we can sort data either in what's it? Ascending or in ascending or descending. Okay. Next, default order is ascending. That means if you don't mention anything, by default it takes ascending. If you don't mention ascending or descending, then it takes ascending. Okay. Then how to write select columns from table name. Next one, where condition. Next, what's that? Order by column name, ascending or descending, so on. That's it. So this is how to write the query. Okay, order by, mention the field name plus mention the order. Then let's take example. So what I want is, suppose I want to arrange employee list, name wise ascending order. Arrange employees list name wise ascending. Then select start from EMP, then order by. Okay, na? Order by. So he's asking to arrange order by. Order by, what's that? Name wise. Then e-name. Which order? Ascending. Order is ascending. Ascend, no? Then. Sir, here what? Ascending. Next one, descending. Sir, here we have three types. One is numeric. Next one, character. Next one, date. So tell me, for ascending, numeric ascending means 0 to 9. Character ascending means A to Z. Date means old date to new date. Old to new. February is new. January is old. Ascending means January to February. Descending means 9 to 0. Z to A. New to old. So January to February is ascending. February to January is descending. Okay, then now execute the query. So tell me which are displayed first. When you run this, which are displayed first? Whose name starts with A? Name starts with A. But in my table, there are two employees' names starting with A. One is Alan, one is Adams. Then what is displayed first? Adams. Adams is displayed first. Because if first character is same, then it will consider second character, Adams. Then let me run this. Adams, Allen, Blake, Clark, Ford, like this. Understood? Then next. Suppose arrange what? Employee list, salary wise descending order. Arrange employees salary wise descending. Then select what's it? Start from EMP order by salary. Salary what? Descending order, DES. So descending means highest to lowest. Okay, then. So like using that salary wise descending. Employee whose salary is what's it? 5,000. So your highest is 5,000, lowest is 800. Highest is 5,000, lowest is 800. First it is showing 5,000, last it is showing 800. So these two employees' salaries are same. The salaries are what's it? Same. But maybe internally it is using some mechanism. Like maybe it is using date. First 81, next 82. Suppose. Sir, okay na? 1250, 1250. 81 Feb, 81 September. If salaries are same, maybe background it is using what? Hide date. Yes? Understood now? Then. Suppose if I ask date wise, same thing. Okay na? Arrange employees list, what's that? Hide date wise. So arrange employee list, hide date wise, ascending. Hide date wise. But I don't say ascending or descending, but I'll say, so employee who joined first, arrange first. So who joined first should be displayed first. Then, so tell me what. But you don't mention the order. Then start from EMP, order by what? Hide date. Order by hide date. Then which order? Ascending or descending? Who joined first? Display first. That means old to new na, new to old na. Old to new. Old to new means which order? Ascending. Then ascend. See that. See, E joined first, 80. E joined first, 80 na. E joined last, 83. 80 to 80. Okay na? Then. So, is the one who joined first, then displayed first. E joined last, display last. Sir, if year is same, then year is same. If year is same, automatically it is sorting based on month wise. Month. If it is month also same, it is automatically sorting based on date wise. Year is same, then month. Month also same, date wise. Then, but you see this, these two, year is same, month is same, day also same. All the three same. Then what? In table, which is first? 7900 first. Then it is showing first 7902. So which is next? 7902 is next. That's why it is showing 7902 next. If all are same according to the table. Okay, na? Then. Okay. So then what is this is? This is sorting. Okay. Then. Next. And one more thing. Sir, in order by, I can also give like this. Order by what's it? Then suppose 6 DES. I can also give like this. What is the meaning? If you give like this, sorting based on sixth column. Sorting is based on sixth column in table. What is the sixth column? Salary. So sorting is based on salary. You see that. Sorted based on salary wise. Suppose I say two ascending. Then sorting is based on second field. What is the second field? Name. Okay. Then that means in order by, we can use column names or column number. We can use column names or we can also use column number. But when you are using number, so what is the important is here, suppose number, name, salary, next one, height, date, suppose department number. I'm not selecting all the fields. I'm selecting only specific fields. Then suppose what I'm doing is I'm giving six DESC. Six what's it? DESC. Then run this query, error. Why? Because this number is not based on table. The number is based on select list. When you are using number, this number is not according to the table. Don't give this number according to the table. Give this number according to the select list. How many fields you are selecting? 5 fields. There is no sixth field. That's why it is giving error. You want to sort based on salary. What number you have to pass? I want to sort based on salary. What number you have to pass? 3. So say 3, then what's it? DES. Sorting based on third field. What is the third field? Salary. Okay, now? Then. So you want to sort based on height, date. Then 4. Yes or no? Then. So, so what is the point here? In order by clause. Okay, then in order by clause, we can sort, we can use column names or column numbers. Example, so I write something like this. Okay, then 6 column DESC. So what is this above query sorts based on what? Sixth column. Sixth column in EMP table, that is salary. Okay, na? Then, but the number is not based on what's it? Then see, the number is not based on what? Table. Okay, na? Then next. And one more thing, order by number is not based on, not according to what? Table, and it is according to what? Select list. Not according to the table, it is according to select list. That means then, so here you see this. Then suppose if I say 3, then the above query what? Above query sorts, okay, na? Then data based on third column in select list, that is salary. Yes or no? So sorts based on third column in select list. That's when you are using star, okay, you can according to the table because you are selecting all the fields. But when you are selecting specific fields, then you have to mention, so this number is based on select list. Okay, then no. Okay, then. But if you see these examples, in these examples, you're sorting based on how many fields? You're sorting based on how many fields? Okay, na? Then sorting is based on how many fields? 1 field. What is 5 fields? Sorting is based on how many fields? Okay, na? 1 field. Yes or no? Then see, you see that. So we sorted based on what? Name. We sorted based on salary. We sorted based on height, date. Sorting is based on 1 field. Sometimes I want to sort based on multiple fields. I want to sort based on what? Multiple fields. Like for example, suppose then suppose see, for example, you see the department number. Okay, then we see this. Then I want to sort based on department number. Then what? Then order by what? Order by department number ascending. Okay, na? Then so sorting based on department. Then which is displayed first? Which is displayed first? First it will show 10. Next it will show 20. Next it will show 30. So first it will show 10. Next it will show 20. Next it will show 30. Yes or no? Then adapter, charger. Okay. Then so first it is shows 10. Next it is showing 20. Next it is showing 30. But what I want is these three employees belongs to what? These three employees belongs to same department, 10. Yes or no? All these three employees belongs to 10th department. I want to arrange these three rows salary wise. That means which one you want to show first? 5,000. Sir, first department, within the department salary. So these three belongs to 10th department. So I want to show first 5,000, next 2, 4, next 13. And next, you see this. This 5 employees belongs to 20th. I want to arrange this 5 rows salary wise descending. First department, within the department, salary. Okay, na? Then. So now let's see what you have to say. You have to say like this, comma, salary descending, comma, salary descending. Okay, then so execute the query. Then you see this 3 belongs to 10, but how these 3 rows are arranged? These 3 rows are arranged based on salary. So within the department, see when it will consider the salary. What is the meaning? Giving two fields means what? Giving two fields means what? Giving two fields means first it will sort based on department. So if who belongs to the same department sorted based on salary. This 3 belongs to the same department. These 3 rows are sorted based on salary wise descending. And this 5 employees belongs to 20th. These 5 rows are sorted based on salary wise. Understood? That. So that's all. Here sorting based on two fields. Okay, then. So what is that is arrange employee list department wise ascending and within department salary wise descending. Then you have to write like this. Understood? So suppose let's take one employee 5, 3,030. Suppose employee 2B salary 1,000. This is 10. Employee 3C, this is okay. Then 4,020. Suppose 4D, then this is 6,020. 10 or 30. Okay. So 5E, so this is 5,010. Next 6F, then so 4,000. Then this is okay now. Then 7,000. This is 20. Like this. This is the table. So if I run the query, then tell me what is the output. I execute this query on this table. So tell me the output. First consider, first go to this. Don't go to this. Don't consider this. First consider this one. Department ascending. Then, so first it will show 10. But how many belongs to 10? 2. There are 2 employees belongs to 10. And these 2 rows are sorted based on salary. Okay, na? Then, so which one is shown first? First it will show 5,000. First it will show 5,000. Then, next it will show 2B, 1,000. Yes. Then, okay, na? Now, next one. So 10 is completed. What is the next one? 20. Again, 20 also. How many belongs to 20? 2. Then how these 2 rows are arranged salary wise descending. Then what is arranged first? What is 7,000? Then first it will show 7,000. Next it will show, okay, so 4,000. So within the department, sorting based on salary. Next one, 20 is completed. What is the next one? 30. 30 also how many there? 2. Then how these rows are arranged? These rows are arranged. So descending. What is this is? Then 4D 30. What is the next? 1A 3,000. Sir, okay now? That's all. So that is the meaning of giving two fields. When it will consider second field, if first fields are same, who belongs to the same department arranged based on salary. Okay, now? Then suppose I give like this. What is the meaning? E name ascending. Then what is the meaning? First it will sort department. Departments are same. Then salary. Salaries are also same. Then E name. E name. You see this. These two. What's it? Departments are same. Salaries are also same. These two are sorted based on name. But already sorted based on name. Ford Scott. First F, next Scott. Okay, now? Then here you see that. See, same department, salary is also same. But first it is showing 75 Ward. First it is showing Ward. Next it is showing Martin. But first I want to show Martin. Next I want to show Ward. First M, next W, na? Yes or no? Then, so you say E name. Let's run this query. Now see this. So 1250. First it is showing Martin. Next it is showing Ward. Yes. So what is the meaning? Writing 3 means? Hmm? First departments are same. Then salaries are also same. Then name. Okay. Okay. Then next one. Then, okay now? No. So what is the advantage of doing this? You can find out who is the highest paid and least paid in each department. You can find out who is the highest and least paid in each department. So is the highest paid in 10, least paid in 10, highest paid in 20, least paid in 20. Then okay. But suppose sometimes I want like this. What I want is, so display what's it? Employees working as clerk, comma, manager. Employees working as clerk, manager. And arrange output salary wise descending. And what? Employees working as clerk, manager. Arrange the output salary wise descending. Then tell me how. It is not asking all the employees. Yes. Okay, na? Select star from EMP. Then this query shows all, but is not asking all. Is asking only working as clerk, manager. Then what? Whenever you want specific, where, apply the where condition. Where, job. How to write? You have to use operator. In, because I given one job or two jobs. In. Then in, next clerk, next one manager. Job in clerk, comma, manager. If job is clerk, selected. If job is manager, selected. Then, but what is asking is asking the output should be arranged salary wise descending. Then order by. So what is order by salary descending? Okay, then. So which one is shown first? Yes, what is the yes? 2975. Next 28, next 24. Next what's at 1300, next 1100, next 950, next 800. That's all. So working as clerk managers. So in this example, we are using both where and order by. Okay, then. What is the execution? Huh? What is executed first? If this query is executed in the same way, you written like this, na? It is also executed in the same order. No. How it is executed? First, from, next, where, next, select, next, order. This is the order of execution. Okay, na? Which is executed first? From. From is executed first means what is the meaning? First it go to the table. First it go to table. Next one, where? First going to the table. First it go to the table. After going to the table, select the employees working as clerk manager. There are 7 employees. That means actual table contains 14. Out of 14 rows, it selects 7 rows because there are 7 employees satisfying this condition. You understood that? So first go to the table. So from table, out of 14 rows, it will select 7 rows. Okay, na? Then next select. Then select the fields. Whatever the fields you write it here, that fields are selected. Next one, sorting. Sorted based on salary wise descending. That's all. This is order of execution. Okay, then now then suppose like we'll see one more. For example, I want to see the employees, okay, joined in 1981. Then joined in 1981 and arrange what list name wise ascending. Then so you want to see only the employees joined in 1981, but arrange the list name wise. Then that's all. Here what's her hide date? What? Like 1981 percentage. Next one, order by. Then order by. What's her e-name SN? Order by e-name SN. So sorting based on name wise. Yes. So let me run this. Understood, na? And 81 only joined in 81. So Ellen Blake Clark like this. That's all. So this is how to use what? Order by. How to use order by. Okay. Then next, one more is there. What is that? Is distinct. So distinct. What is distinct? Is distinct clause. What? Distinct clause eliminates duplicates. Distinct clause eliminates duplicates. Okay. Then so what? Suppose you see that. Select what? Distinct. What's that? Column name. Okay. Then next one. Select what? Distinct column 1 comma column 2 so on. Okay. Then otherwise you can apply this on multiple columns, all the columns. Example, what the meaning of this is? I write a query like this: select a job from EMP. So this query is showing what? This query displays what? Jobs of all the employees. But I don't want to see all the jobs. I want to see unique jobs. I don't want to see these duplicates. If you don't want to see the duplicate, then apply what's it? Distinct. Apply the distinct. When you apply the distinct, duplicates are eliminated. So analyst, clerk, manager, president, salesman. That's all. That is the purpose of distinct. Nothing more than this. So suppose here also I'm selecting department number. So then this will show then which employee, the first employee belongs to which department, second employee belongs to which department, like this. It is showing each and every employee belongs to which department. But I don't want to see individual departments. I want to see various departments in the company. I want to see only the distinct departments. Then what? Apply what's it? Distinct. Apply the distinct. When you apply the distinct, then duplicates are eliminated. So it is showing 10, 20, 30. That's all. So what is the purpose? Eliminating what's it? Duplicates. Okay. Then suppose there is a table, persons table is there. So in this table, they're storing what's it? Each and every person got Aadhaar card. Aadhaar number, person name, person what, gender, person date of birth, person address, person city, person state, like this. They're storing like this. Okay, see, this table stores how many persons data? So in this, assume that in this table you are storing each and every person who got Aadhaar card. A person is having Aadhaar card, that person details are stored in this table. This table contains 130 plus crores persons. Indian government said at present 130 crores persons are having Aadhaar card. So how many persons data stored in this table? 130 plus crores. Okay, then now, so this is my query. Select gender from persons. So tell me, this query returns how many rows? This query returns how many rows? 130 crores. Okay, na? Because this query returns each and every row. But from each row, it returns only this field, gender. Returns all the rows, but returns only one particular field value. What that is? Gender. But I don't want to see all the rows. I want to see distinct genders. Then apply what's it? Distinct. Then it returns what? Two. Male, female, like this. Got it? Then suppose, for example, I'll select state. Then I select state. Then so if I select state, then it returns how many? 130 crores. But if I write distinct state, then 29. How many states are there? That many states. That is the difference. Understood? Then so example, select what's it? Distinct department number from EMP. Then 20, 30. Now select distinct what? Job from EMP. Then analyst, clerk, manager, president. So there is a job president, there is a job salesman. That's all. 5. Okay, na? So that is what distinct. But if I apply this on employee number, so it returns 14 rows. Why? Because there is no duplicate. Employee numbers, what's it? No duplicates. That's why it is showing all the employee numbers. If duplicates are there, eliminated. If there is no duplicate, then not eliminated. Yes or no? Understood now? Then no. Okay. Next. There is one clause called top clause. So there is a called top clause. So what is the top clause? Top clause, what's it? Then returns. So top clause returns top n rows from table. So returns top n rows. Returns top n rows, top 5 rows. Okay, then. So top clause returns top n rows. Next. How to use? Then select what? Select then. Suppose, for example, say distinct. These are all optional. It's not compulsory. If you want to use, you can use distinct. Next one, top. Next what set? N value. Here you pass column names. Otherwise, star. From what table name? Next, where condition. Next what? Order by. That's it. So this is the syntax. How to use top class. Okay, na? Then. So queries, in queries, what you come across different classes. For different operations, we use different classes. Filtering, use where class. Sorting, use order by. Eliminating duplicates, distinct. To find top n rows, use top class. Okay, then. So I want to see first 5 rows from the table. So what is my query is display what's the first 5 rows from EMP table. Then, so what we do? Select what? Select top 5. Top 5 start from EMP. then it will show, suppose if you say select star, then it shows all the rows now, 14 rows. But I don't want to see 14 rows. I want to see first 5 rows. Then top 5, top 5. Then first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, 7, 3, 2, 7, 6, 5, 4. First 5 rows. Okay. Then, so this query will show what? First 5 rows. Then show the first 5 rows from the table. Okay. Then suppose then, but what I want is like this is first 5 rows from the table. Yes or no? Suppose if you say 3, then first 3 rows. One, first row. Okay, na? Then, but not first 5 rows. I want to see top 5 highest paid employees. Then see display what's that? Top 5 highest paid employee list, employee details. Okay, na? Then not first 5 rows, top 5 highest paid. Then see select star. It will show all the rows. But what is your aim? Top 5 highest paid. To get the top 5 highest paid, first sort. First sort order by what? Salary, what? Descending. Sorting based on salary wise descending. So if you sort based on salary wise descending, which is arranged first? Highest paid. Top 1, top 2, top 3, top 4, like this. You see this. Okay, now? So is that yes, the first highest paid, second highest paid, third highest paid, fourth highest paid, fifth highest paid. So it is showing like this. But what do you want? Top 5. Then select what's it? Top 5. Top 5 star. That's so this is showing top 5 highest paid employees. Simple, na? Then query simple. Okay, na? Then set different databases implements in different ways. If you go to MySQL, they use limit. They use a class called limit class. If you go to MySQL, if you go to Oracle, they use one, what that is called fetch class. They use one class. What that is? Fetch class. Okay, then suppose you see, for example, then see this is select what's that? Number, name, salary from EMP. Here also same thing, same data is there. I want top 5 highest paid. Then what? Select what's it? Number, name, salary. Number, name, salary from what? EMP order by salary descending. Same, almost are same, but some minor changes will be there. But even first 5 rows. But here we don't use top. Here we use what's that? Fetch. Fetch first 5 rows only. Sorry. What? Fetch. Spelling. Then what it is showing? First 5 rows. So there we use top, but here we use fetch. If you go to MySQL, they use limit. They use limit. That's all. Okay, now? Then. But it is showing what's it? It is showing employee details. Yes. Okay, now? This query is showing the employee details. Then I don't want to see the details. I want to see only salaries. Then what is my query is display top 3 maximum salaries. So tell me what? I want to see only top 3 maximum salaries. Then don't show star. Then first go just see one by one. Salary. First select salary. Then you are sorry. So you are showing what's that? Salary. Then you see this. It is showing salaries. But what is your aim? Top 3 maximum. To get top 3 maximum, first sort. Then what? Order by. order by salary, what's descending. Then how it is arranged, highest to lowest. I don't want to see the duplicates. I want to see top three maximum. How many getting that maximum? I don't want. Then eliminate the duplicates. Then distinct. So distinct. Duplicates are eliminated. Select first three. Because I am asking top three now. Select first three. How to select first three? Top three. That's 5,000, 3,000, 2,975. So top three maximum salaries. Sir, okay? Then. Clear? Then. Suppose I'll ask top three, okay, employees based on experience. Top three employees based on experience. Previous one, top three employees based on salary. Now, I want top three employees based on experience. Then, how? Select what's it? Star. Select star from EMP. Then, sorting. Sorting is compulsory. Otherwise, how can you find out experience top? Order by. Order by hire date. Then, which order? Ascending or descending? Ascending. Ascending. That means who joined first? Display first. Join first means maximum experience. Then see that E joined first. So E joined first is the top one experience, top two experience, top three experience. Yes or no? Then so from this list select first three. How to select first three? Top three. Top three. That's it. So top three employees based on experience. Okay. Then that's it. So this is how to use what's it? How to use top class. Sir, okay now? Then now. So then, but what you lent some the basic clauses. What is that is? Where clause? Next one. Sorry. Order by. Next one. Distinct. Next. Next one. Pop. So what is but where? Where is but to select? What's that? Specific rows. To select specific rows. Order by. To sort. To sort data. Table data. Distinct. To eliminate duplicates. Next one. Top. To select top n rows. That's it. Okay. So these are the basic clauses. Next. Okay. Next one. Then. So before going to, first we'll see what's it? DML. DML commands. So what is DML stands for? Data manipulation. Data manipulation language. Okay. Then what are the DML commands? One is insert, update, delete, match. So these commands are called DML commands. Okay. If you see the table, then if you see the table contains two parts. You see the table. Table contains two parts. Table, what's it? Structure means what? Columns plus table data. Data means rows. So rows and columns, no? And columns are called structured. Data is called rows. Then table contains two. Sir, here there are two commands. One is what? DML. One more is there, DDL. So DML and DDL. Sir, here DML commands acts on table data. DDL commands acts on table structure. So DML acts on data. DDL acts on structure. So operations on data use DML. Operations on structure use DDL. Okay, then. So suppose, sir, I want to, for example, I want to add a new row. The table already contains 14 rows. I want to insert a new row. Then insert. I want to change this commission null to 500. Update. This employee is resigned. I want to remove this row. Delete. Okay. New employee joins. No. Don't go like the sequence. Okay, na? A new employee joins. Then insert. Employee salary changes. Update. Employee resigns. Delete. And merge is the combination of three. Insert, update, delete. Okay, na? You want to do insert, update, delete all the three at a time. Then match. Okay, then. So next. So insert new row. You want to insert new row. Then insert. You want to change the data. Update. You want to remove the row. Delete. So then all what's that? DML commands acts on table data. Okay, then DML commands acts on table data. And all DML commands are auto, what's that? Auto saved. Auto saved means auto committed. Save means committed. Auto saved means auto committed, auto saved. Okay, then what is the meaning? You delete it. You delete it and it is saved. You delete it. Let's go to our table EMP11. Like one table is there, na? EMP11. What I'm doing is delete from what's that? EMP11 where employee number equals to 100. So what I'm doing, I'm deleting this row. Delete from EMP11 where employee number equals to 100. So this row is deleted. Yes. So you see the table, 100 is deleted or not? Yes. But by mistake you delete it. You want to cancel it. You cannot cancel. Why? Because automatically committed. Deleted plus committed. You understood? Then what is the auto commit means? When you execute DML plus commit is executed. Every DML command is internally committed. Understood, na? Then so you cannot cancel it. By mistake you deleted. You cannot cancel because it's already saved. Then that's why stop this auto commit. Stop auto commit. Okay, na? Then so how to stop auto commit? Then to stop auto commit, okay, na? Execute the following command. Execute the following command. What that command is? Set what's that? Implicit transactions on. Set implicit transactions on. Okay, now. So like what I'm saying is operations are automatically saved. Then stop this auto commit. How to stop the auto commit? To stop auto commit, set what? Implicit transactions on. So after executing this implicit transaction on, auto commit is what? Stop. That means operations are not automatically committed. We have to commit. Sir, if you don't run this command, implicitly committed. If you run this command, you have to explicitly commit. Okay. Then what the advantage is? What is the advantage? If you want to save, you can save. If you want to cancel, you can cancel. You want to save it, you can save. You want to cancel it, you can cancel. Understood? Like let's see now execute and then now see the table once again. Select star from EMP 11. EMP 11. Sir, 101 is there. See, again delete from EMP 11, where employee number equals to 101. So what I'm doing, I'm deleting the row, but by mistake I deleted the row. Cancel this delete. How to cancel the delete? Roll back. So cancel this delete, roll back. So if I say roll back, now see the table, 101 is recovered or not? Yes. Sir, okay now? That. So understood now? Why this is then? Sir, by default, operations are automatically saved, but you don't want auto save because sometimes you delete, by mistake you delete. You want to cancel it. You cannot cancel because it's already saved. Then stop this auto commit. How to stop the auto commit? Set implicit transactions on. So after executing this command, operations are not automatically committed. Then to save the operation, then to save the operation, execute. What's that? Commit. To cancel the operation, to cancel the operation, execute. What's that? Roll back. To save the operation, execute commit. To cancel the operation, execute roll back. Sir, okay? Then no need to once per the session. This command should be executed once per the session, not for every command. Another database means like this is the window. Yes. Yes. You have to execute separately in another database because this is a separate session. See, what is this session? DB 6 PM. Next, I open one more. Suppose something, Naresh. Then, so this is a separate session. You have to execute here also. Okay, na? Then, next. Sir, already you know insert. What you don't know? Update, delete. You know na insert. Okay, na? Then, so we'll see update command. Then, so what for this update? Then command use it to modify table data. Command use it to what's it? Modify the table data. Then so change the data. So like suppose for example, then you see this is EMP. Then at present, what are the commissions? Null. I want to change this commission to 500. So what is the command? Update. I want to change the salary 800 to 2000. Update. I want to change the job clerk to manager. Update. So if you want to change the values, command is what? Update. Okay, then. So modify the table data. Next, using update, we can update all rows or specific rows. Using update, then we can update all columns or specific columns. Otherwise, you can say update single column or multiple columns. Or what? Multiple columns. Okay, now? Then, now let's see, suppose what's that? Update what? Table name. Set column name equals to value. Next one. Comma. Column name equals to value. So on. Next one. So what? Where condition. Update table name, set column name equals to value, column name equals to value, where condition. That's all. Okay, na? Then. So next what? Like suppose what I'm asking is that, see, which table you want to update? Which table you want to update? Which columns you want to update? Which row you want to update? Which table you want to update? which columns you want to update, which row you want to update. Suppose then if where is not given, then if where is not given, this update is applied to all the rows, complete table. If where is given, specific row, that's all. Always remember, where means particular. You want to apply the logic to particular rows, then where, then what. See, update what's it, all employees commission with 500. Update all the employees commission with 500, and then so here some null, some 300, but I want to update all the employees commission with 500. And tell me what, update what's it, emp, then set what, commission equals to 500. Update emp, set commission equals to 500. Yes or no? Then you want to update all the specifica. What is asking? All. Then where is required or not required? Not required, because I'm asking to update all. So where is not required? Then what's it? 14 rows affected. Now see the table. Select star from EMP. See the table. You see that 500, 500, 500, 500. So all employees commissions updated with 500. Where it is updated? Okay, na? It is updated in temporary storage, RAM, not in database. You execute commit, then update it in database. By mistake, you updated all. Cancel it. How to cancel it? Roll back. So say roll back. Then say roll back. You say roll back. See the table. Again, you got the old commissions. Yes. So tell me what rollback is doing? Canceling. Canceling the operation. Undo. Rollback is like control Z. Commit is like control S. Sir, okay now? Then. Now, suppose update what's it? EMP set commission equals to what's it? 500. But not all. What I want is update employees commission with 500 whose commission equal to null. So tell me how. Sir, if commission is null, update with 500. Don't update all. See, this is null. Update with 500. This is null. Update with 500. Update with 500. So tell me what. Then you have to apply the where condition. What is that is? Where commission equal to null. 0 rows updated. Why? But nulls are there now. Why it is saying 0 rows? Don't compare null values with equal to. Compare null values with is. Don't compare null values with equal to. Compare null values with is operator. Then you have to say commission is null. Let's say 10 rows. So there are 10 employees satisfying this condition. All the 10 rows are updated. Yes or no? Then. Sir, okay now? Then. So if you want, you see the table. Select star from EMP. Then select star from. Actually, this is null. Updated with 500. This is null. Updated with 500. All these are null. Updated with 500. It go to one by one, checks condition true or false. If condition true, updated. Condition false, not updated. That's all. Sir, okay now? But I want old table. Then what? Because actually usually you commit it. After update, you have to commit. Because I want old table. That's why I'm rollbacking. Then so execute the rollback. If you execute the rollback, and again see the table, select star from what's that? EMP. You see that the old table is recovered or not? Yes. ఓకేనా? Then now, sir, suppose update what's that? Employees commission with null. Whose commission not equal to null? If commission is not equal to null, here commission not equal to null. If commission not equal to null, update with null. Then tell me how. Update EMP set commission is null. Next, where commission is not null. Commission is not null. Update with null if commission is not null. Yes. So let me run this. Then error. Incorrect syntax near the keyword is. That means something wrong here. Not is. Here it is equal. Okay, na? Not is. Here it is equal. 4 rows affected. Yes. Now there is a confusion. What is the confusion? Sir, earlier I said use is, but now you are using equal to. Yes. Then that is the confusion. Yes or no? But here, sir, see, null, what's that? Null assignment. What's that? Equal. Null comparison is, na, equal, double equal. Equal is for assignment, double equal to for comparison. Similarly, here also, here, what's that? Equal to is for assignment. Is for comparison. So tell me, here you want to assign, you want to compare. Assign. That's why equal. But here, what's that? Here, you want to assign, compare. Compare. Then use is. Don't confuse. Yes or no? Then, sir, here, set compulsory, we have to use equal to 1. Whether it is null or not null, irrespective, use equal. Just strictly follow the syntax. That's it. Okay. Then. Okay, then. So we'll continue this tomorrow. Yes, sir. Google recorded sessions వాళ్ళు నేను ఓన్లీ నోట్స్ వరకు ఇవ్వగలుగుతా వాళ్ళ రికార్డెడ్ సెషన్స్ నోట్స్ ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి ఏం చెప్పక్కర్లేదు. మీరు తీసుకున్నారు కానీ నిన్న కోడ్, ఆ కోడ్ యూజ్ చేయండి. ఫస్ట్ ప్లే స్టోర్ నుంచి గూగుల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ అనే ఒక యాప్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? గూగుల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ అనే యాప్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ యాప్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి. ఆ యాప్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి. దాని నుంచి మీరు ఈ కోడ్ తీసుకోండి. ఓకేనా? ఎస్, అది కనెక్ట్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు ఆ కోడ్ అడుగుతుంది, ఏ క్లాస్ రూమ్ కనెక్ట్. కనెక్టెడా? కనెక్టెడా? దెన్ నెక్స్ట్. ఏం లేదు అంటే ఇప్పుడు సో ఒక డేటాబేస్, రైట్ క్లిక్, న్యూ డేటాబేస్. ఓకేనా? ఎంటర్ డేటాబేస్ నేమ్ DB1. ఓకే. ఓకే. ఓకేనా? ఓ డేటాబేస్ క్రియేట్ అయింది. ఓపెన్ దిస్ డేటాబేస్, రైట్ క్లిక్, న్యూ క్వరీ, దెన్ క్రియేట్ టేబుల్, ఇన్సర్ట్ ద డేటా. దట్స్ ఆల్. సో కమాండ్ ద్వారా కావాలి అంటే ఇప్పుడు డేటాబేస్లో సిస్టమ్ డేటాబేసెస్ అని ఉంది. So open the system databases, master, right click, new query. Okay, na? Here, create database, some space db2. Okay, na? Execute. So create it. Then to see that, okay, na? Refresh. So refresh. There? Okay, sorry. Refresh. So you see this, then db2. That's simple. మాస్టర్ డేటాబేస్ యూజ్ చేసుకొని ఈ కమాండ్స్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ క్రియేట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? ఈ డేటాబేస్ తోటి వర్క్ చేయాలంటే ఈ డేటాబేస్ని ఓపెన్ చేయి. అంటే దీంట్లో టేబుల్స్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి అంటే రైట్ క్లిక్ న్యూ క్వెరీ అని, ఆ డేటాబేస్ ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది. దాంట్లో టేబుల్స్ క్రియేట్ చేయి. వాట్ అది అవసరం లేదు వేరు, ఎందుకంటే ఆల్రెడీ మిగతా అన్ని నల్లు ఉన్నాయి, నల్లు లేని అన్ని నల్లు చేయాలి. దెన్ వేరే అవసరం లేదు, వేరే అవసరం. ఎస్, చేయొచ్చు. సో యూ ఎంటర్ దిస్ కోడ్. ఓకేనా? దట్స్ ఆల్, దట్స్ ఆల్. ఇగో ఇది, ఇది కాదు. ఓకేనా? ఇది ఎస్. ల్యాప్టాప్లో ఓపెన్ చేసుకోండి బెటర్. గూగుల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ అని కొట్టండి. ఓకేనా? ఎస్. ఇప్పుడు జీమెయిల్ ఎలానో అలానే మెయిల్ ఐడి అడుగుతుంది. ఓకే, classroom.google.com. Okay then. So if you installation any errors, please contact admin. Okay, na? Then everyone will get rollback option. Okay, na? Then so don't use MySQL, use SQL Server. After commit, you cannot roll back. Then so please contact Vasudev. Please contact admin. She will add it. Then she will add it to the Google Class. Please contact. Okay then. Okay then. Okay guys, so we'll continue this tomorrow.